Okay, so we've sanded it down to 600 grit. I've given it a coat of Zinsser's seal coat, and that was thinned down 50%. I'm just going to give it a light coat of what called teak oil. This dries a little bit quicker than the Danish oil, and it'll just pop that grain. Make sure you get the finish right down into that corner. Looks dreadful if it's not finished. Right into those corners. Okay, and we'll do this edge. The edge was sealed as well. What I'm doing is flooding the oil into the corner and wiping off the excess. Make sure it gets down into those pores. Excellent. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. I'm set up to part it off now. So we're going to use the standard 1/8 parting tool, and we're just going to step the cut and we're going to part this off. So let's set up. Okay, so let's just measure the depth just to make sure. Okay, that's slightly shy of there. So I'm going to put another line on, heavier pencil line. That still gives me, I'm going to part off to the left of that line there, and that still gives me enough room for an insert. I don't want the lid to be too thick and heavy, so so that's why I've made those decisions. Let's go ahead and just part this off. Put my glasses on. I'm going to step the cuts here. Tell you what, I'm going to take this edge down so you can see what I'm doing. Just stop shy of the jaws. We're going to move the tool rest in a little closer. We don't want too much tool overhand. It's going to pull on the tip. Physics. Turn the lathe speed down just a touch so you can control parting this off, and remember the feed to the middle, the tool should be feeding slightly slower. So I'm going to put that there, and the piece should just drop off in your fingers. There we go. So, okay. We're going to get the lid to fit onto the base now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is clean up this face. It's slightly off. As I turn it, I can see there's a slight wave. We're going to clean up this face, and then we're going to take a measurement on the lid. Just let that speed up. No need to go all the way to the middle. We're going to clean up that anyway. We're going to hollow it out anyway, so it doesn't matter. Right, okay. We're going to measure now the lid.